You respond and progress submitted applications that have been processed by ESV via the Needs Response worklist. Your action and response is required to allow the application to progress towards completion. This will include acknowledgement of conditions met, response to requests for information, and indicating non-compliant work has been rectified. Open the application you wish to work on, and you will be presented with the conditions of acceptance list you are required to complete. You acknowledge each condition by selecting each checkbox. Some conditions will require the completion of a form. This can be performed online, or you can attach a form to the application. A condition may also be that your work will be inspected prior to final acceptance being granted. If you can only partially complete the conditions list, save your work by selecting the Save button in the top right of the screen, and you can come back later to complete the condition acknowledgement. If you don't manually save a partially completed list, your work on this screen will be lost. Commence acknowledgement of conditions. This includes the Consumer Piping Test Report. This can be completed online, or you may attach a previously completed form. You have selected to fill in the piping test report online. Select Add Item and complete all the required fields. Multiple items can be added if the testing was performed in stages or sections were tested to different pressures. You have selected to attach the piping test report. Select Add Attachment from the bottom of the screen. Drag and drop or browse for the file required. Multiple items can be attached if testing was performed in stages or sections were tested to different pressures. You have selected to fill in the Protection of Combustible Surfaces form online. Select Add Item. Complete all the required fields presented. This includes fire-resistant material used. You can add multiple items if required. You have selected to fill in the Type A Appliance Certification Details form online. Select Add Item for each appliance. Complete all the required fields presented. This includes the appliance certification number and the appliance type. You can add multiple items as required. For Type B appliances, you can fill in the Type B appliance checklist online. Expand each section by selecting the down arrow on each subheading. As each section is expanded, you can then complete all the relevant fields. This includes safety checks performed and combustion analysis results. When you have acknowledged all conditions, this includes the statement compliance, and the work is complete, select the Submit button at the bottom of the screen, and all the information you added will be sent to ESV for processing. When you have submitted the Acknowledged Conditions list, close the application by selecting the Close button on the top right of the screen. You can now continue responding to other applications in the Needs Response worklist.